Learn English through stories. Intermediate English. The story of Rolls-Royce. Learn how two men changed the world of cars and airplanes forever. In this true story, you will improve your English while discovering real history, real innovation, and real success. Listen carefully, read along, and enjoy learning through a powerful story. Don't just learn English, live it through stories. Two very different men. One man was a quiet engineer who cared deeply about precision and reliability. The other was a confident businessman who loved speed, travel, and new technology. Although they came from very different backgrounds, they shared one belief: quality must come before profit. Their partnership combined careful engineering with strong business vision, and it would shape the future of cars and aviation. Henry Royce. Henry Royce grew up poor and left school at a young age. He taught himself engineering and worked his way up through determination and skill. Royce believed machines should be reliable, smooth, and free from unnecessary noise or vibration. He constantly improved his designs and demanded high standards. This obsession with precision became the foundation of Rolls-Royce quality. Charles Rolls. Charles Rolls came from a wealthy family and was educated at top schools. He loved cars, speed, and mechanical innovation, and became one of Britain's first car dealers. Rolls also showed strong interest in aviation and early flight. He wanted to sell the best British cars possible and understood how reputation, promotion, and customers shaped a successful business. A historic meeting. In May 1904, Henry Royce and Charles Rolls met at the Midland Hotel in Manchester. Royce showed Rolls a small, carefully built car that demonstrated smooth performance and reliability. Rolls was impressed by the engineering quality and attention to detail. They quickly agreed to work together, combining Royce's technical skill with Rolls's business experience and connections. Forming Rolls-Royce. In 1906, they officially formed Rolls-Royce Limited. Their goal was ambitious but clear: to build the best cars in the world. The company focused on quiet engines, mechanical reliability, and careful craftsmanship. Rather than competing on price, they competed on quality. This philosophy helped set Rolls-Royce apart from other car manufacturers during the early years of the automobile industry. The Silver Ghost. The Silver Ghost became Rolls-Royce's most famous early car. It was known for being extremely quiet, smooth, and dependable at a time when many cars were unreliable. The car completed long endurance tests without major mechanical failure, which was rare for the period. Because of this performance, people began calling it the best car in the world, strengthening the company's reputation. A tragic turning point. In 1910, Charles Rolls died in an aircraft accident during a flying demonstration in England. He was only 32 years old. After his death, Henry Royce continued guiding the company's engineering direction. Although Rolls was gone, the company kept both names. From this point on, Royce's strict standards played an even greater role in shaping Rolls-Royce's future. The spirit of excellence. Henry Royce believed perfection was essential. Every component had to be carefully tested, refined, and improved before leaving the factory. Mistakes were not accepted, and shortcuts were avoided. This approach created a strong internal culture focused on responsibility and precision. Over time, the name Rolls-Royce became closely associated with quality and engineering excellence. World War I and aviation. When World War I began in 1914, Britain urgently needed reliable aircraft engines. Rolls-Royce applied its engineering expertise to aviation and developed the Eagle engine. By the end of the war, many Allied aircraft were powered by Rolls-Royce engines. This work marked the company's first major step beyond cars and into aviation engineering. The Phantom Era. During the 1920s, Rolls-Royce introduced the Phantom series. These cars were larger, more powerful, and more luxurious than earlier models. They became popular with royalty, political leaders, and wealthy individuals around the world. Each vehicle was carefully hand-built to meet strict standards, reinforcing Rolls-Royce's image as a luxury brand. The Merlin engine. During World War II, Rolls-Royce developed the Merlin aircraft engine. It powered several important aircraft, including the Supermarine Spitfire. The Merlin played a major role in the Allied war effort and became one of the most respected engines of the era. Through this work, Rolls-Royce strengthened its position as a leading aerospace manufacturer. Entering the jet age. After World War II, aviation technology changed rapidly as jet engines replaced piston engines. Rolls-Royce focused on developing jet engines for both military and commercial aircraft. These engines made long-distance air travel faster, safer, and more efficient. Over time, the aerospace business grew to equal the importance of the car division, reshaping the company's long-term direction. The financial crisis. In 1971, Rolls-Royce faced a serious financial crisis while developing the RB211 jet engine. The project required far more time and money than expected, and the company ran out of funds. To prevent total collapse, the British government stepped in and took control of the aerospace business. Later, car production was separated from the engine company, changing Rolls-Royce's structure permanently. Nationalization and recovery. After the collapse, the British government took control of Rolls-Royce. This process, known as nationalization, aimed to protect jobs and secure vital defense capabilities. The company focused on rebuilding its aerospace business and stabilizing operations. Years later, Rolls-Royce returned to private ownership. Although recovery was successful, the structure of the company continued to evolve. A complex ownership battle. In 1998, the Rolls-Royce car business was put up for sale. Two German companies, Volkswagen and BMW, both wanted control. Volkswagen purchased the Crewe factory and the Bentley brand. However, BMW secured the legal rights to the Rolls-Royce name and logo. This unusual split meant no single company owned the brand, factory, and name together. The brand is officially divided. After several years of negotiation, a final agreement took effect in 2003. BMW gained full control of Rolls-Royce motor cars and built a new factory in Goodwood, England. Volkswagen retained Bentley and the Crewe factory. At the same time, Rolls-Royce plc continued separately as an aerospace company. From this point on, Rolls-Royce existed as independent businesses with a shared history. What endured? Even as ownership and structure changed, the core philosophy remained the same. From the beginning, Rolls-Royce believed that quality must come before profit. Across cars and engines, this focus on precision, reliability, and high standards continued. Generations of engineers carried these values forward, preserving the meaning behind the Rolls-Royce name. What about you? Rolls-Royce began when two people shared the same goal and worked together with high standards. Do you agree with Rolls and Royce that quality should come before profit? How might patience, cooperation, or attention to quality help you move forward? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more fun English lessons.